Hi guys, and welcome back to GSM-ABC, and today I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. When you came to your profile page, click on these three lines, then go to Settings and Privacy and access Account Center. Scroll down and go to Personal Details. Now click on this one and go to Deactivation. Now here you select your profile. Make sure that you check Deactivate Account and not Delete Account. Scroll down and click on Continue. Now introduce your password and after that click on Continue. Now here you can state your reasons why you want to deactivate it and click on one. Scroll down and click on Continue. Now press on Deactivate Account. Now if you want to activate your account, log in and you are all done. Thank you all for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.